Alright guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you the easy step-by-step how to make your Blogroll to be a statistic page on your website so that Google and the rest search engine will be able to crawl your website very easily. So let's get down to it. Let's do it. Alright guys, to make your Blogroll to be the statistic on your website, so you want to go to your website here, you want to create menu, you want to first create the page for your website. So let's go to our dashboard here. I want to, as you can see, this website is using Blogroll, so I want to change it to a statistic page. So let's go to pages and create pages for this. So let's create new page and call it blog. I want to call it blog. So when you finish, you hit publish down here. Then you go back to, when you finish, you go to menu. So now let's set up our menu. Go to appearance and go to menu. So right now we are on our menu here. So we've created our blog and it's in here. So now we want to make this blog here to be at the top here. I want to take it to the top. So this is where our blogs, all our blogs going to show up. So now that we've set our blog here and everything else has been set. So you want to hit save menu. Now, before you check out, you want to go to settings. You want to go to settings again, yeah, and you want to go to reading down here. So here is where you're gonna change it. You want to go to, you want to change it to a static page. So you want to choose what's gonna be your home page, your home as a home page. You can use your home as a home page, or you use the name of your website as the home page. Then what will be the post page? The post page is gonna be the blog. Okay, and that is it. Now let's go and save. Now that I've been saved, let's check out our website. So now if I click the blog, yeah, all my blog is gonna show out here on the blog area. So here is all my blog. The reason why is that I've changed it on the reading area. So all my blog is automatically show up on the blog area. So that's how you do it. So let's say I want this to also show up my blog. So to do that, we're going to click this one here. So here is the page here. So we're going to edit the page here. So here you can add just as it is here. You can add guides, you type guides. Then you add blog list using the blog editor. You click here and you type post list. Now that you've typed the post list, so the post is gonna show up like this. And when you finish, you hit update. So now that we've updated our page, now let's go and view the page. Yeah. Now the blog and this page JSquad are showing our blog. As you can see, the JSquad is also showing the blog right now. It's not showing our blog. So now let's say I want to use the JSquad to be my home page, and I will leave this as it is there. So let's go to our menu here. So we want to drag this to the top there. So you want to go here, you want to click here and drag the name here. Title attribute. To activate this title attribute, you can go to the top here. And title attribute. I'm going to tick the title attribute here, so that you see it here. It's going to show up here. So right in here, we are going to type home. We're going to make it to be our home. And when you finish, you are going to hit save menu. Okay, now our website, our menu has been saved. Now let's see how it looks like. Okay, now the J Squad is now our home page, and these are blog here. So the home page is showing our blog raw as well as the blog. Okay, so if you scroll down here, you see all our blog down here. And if you go to the blog also, if you click the blog, it's just going to show up our blog, all our blog here. So it look great, and Google and the rest search engine will quickly grow your website. So that's how you do it. If you have any question or anything to say about this video, let me know down below. Subscribe to this channel and I'll give you more info videos like this to help you grow your website. So see you in the next video. Peace.